Computer problems, they're a fact of life. Having someone you can trust is critical in the digital age. Since 1988, you've trusted Data Doctors to keep your life in harmony with your technology. You know, those nasty viruses, spyware, email issues, and stuff that makes your computer run slow. We make them a thing of the past. We take care of it quick, make it convenient and affordable. If you live near one of our stores, you can come to us or we can come to you. But what happens if you or your family and friends don't live near one of our stores? Or if you have computer problems while on the road? You know, a business trip, family vacation, stuff like that. We can still help. Now, the only step you have to take with Data Doctors is to call us. That's it. You call, we connect with you over the internet, and you can sit back and watch us fix it. You can see every move we make, every mouse click, every tap of the keyboard, everything. In fact, we make it so that you still have control of your computer. That way you can end the session or disconnect for any reason. At Data Doctors, we take security very seriously. We only allow highly skilled, trustworthy, US-based technicians to connect to your computer. And of course, the connection is encrypted and secure. But here's the thing, we can't connect to your computer unless you allow it. We've been in business since 1988, so we know what we're doing. We know how to fix it, and we don't talk tech babble. We speak English. We can help anyone, anywhere. We'll take care of you. Data Doctors. Tell your friends we can fix it now.